Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. I am directed to invite a reference to Rule 5.32 of the Punjab Civil Service Rules, Volume 2, under which a retiring pension is allowed to a government servant who is made to retire in public interest after he has completed 25 years qualifying service, and to say that government have considered the question whether under Rule 6.4, according to which full pension admissible under the rules is to be allowed only if the service of the government servant concerned has been really approved. A reduction in pension should be made in cases where the government servant concerned has been retired compulsorily. Stop. There appears to be an impression that a reduction in pension in such a case would involve double punishment to the government servant, but such an impression is erroneous. Stop. A government servant is retired prematurely because government do not consider it in public interest to allow him to continue in office. Stop. His pension, however, it to be granted after applying the provision of Rule 6.4 to his case, and it may be reduced on the basis of the quality of work done by him during the period he had been in office. Stop. Reduction in his pension as a result of his poor record of service, therefore, stop, has nothing to do with the reduction in pension which may automatically result on account of his premature retirement. Stop. The mere fact to compulsory retirement is no reason, therefore, for not examining each case of grant of pension on merits. Stop. In other words, the government servants who are retired compulsorily from service under Rule 5.32 should not be considered to be exempt from the application of the Rule 6.4, the provision of which are quite independent of those of the former. Stop. I am therefore to say that in future the case of every government servant retired compulsorily should be examined on merits with reference to the provisions of the Rule 6.4 and appropriate reduction made when justified by the record of his service. Full stop. Over.